Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. All right, so we have Solana here on FTX. So I don't like to toot my own horn, but been pretty spot on with this Solana thing. I mean, these lines have really been respected. Uh, yeah, I mean, we broke this last level. Had that nice. Well, we were talking about this bull flag here. And we made our measured move. We did overshoot it, so I was wrong with that. I mean, we got a small rejection from it, but still, we definitely overshot it. So, not completely spot on. I take that back. But close. We've been pretty close. So yeah, we did come up. We broke this level. We did pass this purple region. Broke this level. Looks like we could have came back down for a retest. Might have got front ran a little bit. We are above the 21. All our moving averages have positive slopes. They are fanned out quite a bit. RSI, neutral median zone, testing the signal line. Yeah, so we're testing the signal line. If we can break the signal line, and get back above this last high, I think we go to this purple box like we've been talking about at 145. MACD did have a fresh cross to the downside on the 1 hour. We'll see if we can curl it back around. If we do not curl it back around, I think we come back down and test 132. Maybe even 131. About 132. But we need to cross that MACD back above that signal line. If we don't, I think we come back down, test 132, and then resume off. Volatility is very low, so it's about to pick up. Yeah, I mean it's kind of all up what this MACD and this RSI does. If this MACD turns up back above that signal line, RSI gets in the bullish control zone, I definitely think we're going to 145 like we've been talking about. Honestly, at that point, I think we might overshoot it. If we can get both of that to happen, we're going to check the 4 hour here in a second. But according to the 1 hour, I definitely think we're going to this purple box at 145. Let's check the 4 hour before we start talking about higher upside targets. All right, so on the 4 hour, we are in the bullish control zone. Yeah, this is looking good. MACD, consistent tests of the MACD signal line. Volatility's high. Okay, so our positive momentum is decreasing a little bit, but we're still above that signal line. RSI is in the bullish control zone. Now, the one thing I do want to say is, nope, we do not. Thought we had bearish divergence, but we do. Yeah. Okay, so we have slight bearish divergence. I think that could bring us back down to 132. But honestly, there might be too much momentum to bring it back down. But those are the 2 points. Either we come back down to 132, test it, then resume off, or we just go right to 145. Simple as that. One of the two things, I think, in my opinion, is what the probabilities are in the favor of. So either way, I could see us getting to 145. Either way. But yeah, if we overshoot the 145 level to maybe go up to 155 and then come back down and retest that purple box, that's when I think we start talking about upside targets like 177.50. So yeah, I mean, those are my thoughts for Solana. Looking good, still looking good. Solana's been tearing. Yeah, we followed it the entire way. We followed it from this spot right here. We've talked about every step of the way, whether which levels it was breaking, where we were going next. We've been pretty spot on. So if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Leave a comment. If you guys don't like the video, leave a comment anyway. Tell me how I can improve. My main objective is to bring as much value to you guys as possible. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.